Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to stop update service or update on your Windows 11 forever. So you just need to follow me. So the first method you can do is you just need to go to your start or search window and type gpedit.msc. So type gpedit.msc. Okay, after that you just need to press enter from your keyboard. Now it will open local group policy editor. Okay, so now what you have to do, you just need to expand computer configuration. Under that you need to expand administrative templates. Now you just need to expand Windows components. Now you need to scroll down and find Windows update or update. So here it is, as you can see. So you simply expand Windows update. Now under Windows update you will get an option called manage end users experience. So you simply click on that folder. On your right side you will see the option called configure automatic update. So simply you need to double click on it and simply you need to disable and click on apply, then OK. The another method is simply you need to go to your services by type services.msc on your start menu or search window, and after that press enter. Now here you just need to find Windows update. Here it is, as you can see, and it is running, as you can see. So simply right click and go properties, and startup type you need to disable and click on stop, and after that click on apply, then OK, and you are done. So I hope this tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any queries or questions then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.